Keep the lights on always with solar energy. If you're looking to explore an extremely interesting field of study, which is fresh in the market with huge career opportunities both locally and internationally, an industry with massive future growth potentials, then take advantage of these 3 days solar installation training powered by BIO-GLEAM Technologies. You will learn energy audit, inverter sizing, solar panel sizing, battery sizing, solar charge controller and cable sizing, installation of inverter and solar system, with additional benefits, training manual, on-site start to finish installation practicals, certificates upon completion, refreshments during the training, random selection for field work with feeding, and take-home stipend. Date: Monday 24th to Wednesday 26th July 2023, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily. Venue: number 24, Osapaul Street, Thomas Estate, Debbie Mall, Ajah, Lagos. Training fee: 30,000 Naira only. Make payments to BIO-GLEAM Technologies 102-4635-560 UBA. Send proof of payment to 0816-2764-651. Hurry now to reserve your seat. Become a certified solar system installer today. Become a sought-after skilled expert in the solar space. BIO-GLEAM Technologies, brightening your world.